Hey guys, what is up? It is Denise Draven, and today we're going to be trying out the new Norvina palette from Anastasia. I had just gotten it in the mail like an hour ago, and I'm so excited to try it out, so I guess let's dive in. Okay, so here is the PR box. It's really pretty. It's purple and holographic. And let's get this open. I love this packaging. It's so beautiful. Look at that. And this is the volume 1 palette, so that probably means that there's going to be more Norvina palettes in the future, so I'm really excited about that. And they also sent along a new eye primer as well. Okay, so here is the palette. Okay, so this palette has a lot of beautiful shades in it. It's really big. I love it. And I feel like there's a lot of different combinations that you can do with this, all these like different shades. I don't know, it's so hard to pick like what I want to do with it, like what I want to start with today. Like, I just love it. I really love this hot pink. The purples are all beautiful. I love this blue right here. It's really pretty. It has like glitter in it too. That red is really nice. I love it. It's really hard to find like a matte red, so that's nice to have in the palette. Also like this kind of like coral color. It'll probably like match from the lipsticks. And they have like some like mustard yellows as well. This one's more of a mustard yellow than this one. This one's kind of a brighter yellow, but still a little mustardy. And all the shimmers are beautiful. I just don't know where to start with this palette. Like, oh my god. I don't know. I wish I could do like a 2 looks in one video or something, but that might take me forever. Okay, so I swatched so many colors. Oh my god. This is so hard. My arm just kind of twists around. But yeah, I swatched some of the colors on my arm. Just kind of get a feel of like the shades I'm going to be using, or like what I want to be combining with each other. Yeah. But I don't know, I just wish I could just twist my arm that way as well. Sorry, they're like really messy swatches too. They're like really quick. But that blue is really pretty. I think I'm definitely going to be using that. I kind of want to go for like a blue smoky eye, kind of like a different color in the bottom, so we'll see. Okay, so the first shade we're going to be diving into is C1, which is white. I'm just going to put like all over my eyelid as like a base, so that way the shadows can blend more easily. Okay, so next I'm using the shade D4, which is the blue. And I'm basically going to be applying this one kind of like all over my eyelid. I'm going to apply it like on my down here first and then smoke it out. I'll probably be using C1, which is white, to blend it out as I'm going along. So yeah. Okay, so next I'm using the shade A5, which is this really beautiful hot pink. And I'm using the A14 brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to apply this underneath my eyes and I'm going to blend it out. And maybe even blend it a little bit into the blue a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so next I'm using the shade D2. And I kind of swatched on my hand right now, and it kind of looks like it has like blue, it's kind of like blue undertones with like purple glitter on top, kind of. I don't know if y'all can really see that. It looks blue on the camera, but in person it also has like purple on top, so that's pretty cool. But anyway, so I'm going to be kind of like putting like on the inner corners a little bit on the eye. I feel like it would look really pretty over the blue eyeshadow. Okay, so next I'm using the Artistry Beverly Hills Dark Side Liner, and I'm putting on my waterlines. So next I'm using the shade A1, and it's this like really pretty lavender shade. And I kind of want to use it like more on the inner corner over here to give more of a highlight, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so next I'm using the Baby That Beauty Midnight Mascara on my lashes, and I have a discount code at the shop. It's Denise_Draven. I have a link down below and my discount code as well, so make sure you check them out. This mascara is pretty nice. I always use it every time I do my makeup, so yeah. Okay, so next I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brown Powder Duo, a dark brown. And I'm gonna do my brows like how I usually do. so next I'm using the Artistry Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and I'm just gonna brush in my brow hairs. Okay, so next I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio and Berry Adore, and I'll be using the shade Desert. I think this is perfect for this look. It's kind of a coral color, and I kind of want to use one of the new lipsticks I got too. I'm using a more corally one. No, I mean not all corals, but yeah, I think it will be pretty cute. And I haven't actually used this blush trio yet, so here I am. I'm using it now. Okay, so next I'm using the Artistry Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. I'm really diving into the shade Ethereal. I'm placed kind of like on my cheekbones, a little bit of my nose maybe, and I might add some of my brow bone, I don't know. I haven't really decided on that yet. We'll see. Next I'm applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Red Coral Liquid Lipstick onto my lips. And this is one of the new ones that they had released. Came in this set. It's really cool. I already swatched them all in here. And I really like the shade Spicy. That was more like a red, like a darker red coral. I don't know. I like that a lot. So, but they're all really pretty. I don't think I've ever really worn corals before, but I guess this is my first time. So yeah. Okay, so next we're using the Shop Made Me Artistry Lashes in Weirdo. And it's been a minute since I worn these, so I decided that I should probably use these for this look. And these are really beautiful lashes, just check them out. I have a link to the shop down below in my bio, and also a discount code as well is NACE5, so make sure to use it to save some money on these amazing lashes. They have a bunch of different amazing styles as well. Alrighty, so I am done with the look, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. It was a ton of fun creating this look. It was pretty simple actually. I mean, Smokey eyes are pretty easy for me, so, and I didn't use a ton of colors or do a crazy cut crease, so it was really easy for me today. Maybe I'll film another video of this look. I also still need to film a video of the Jackie Aino palette. I know, I literally opened it like the other day, and then this one came in today, so I was like, crap, but I really want to play this one first, and then I'll play the other one next, so yeah. The colors are very vibrant, the eyeshadows are really pigmented, they're really soft. I know someone else watching them, they're really vibrant, they blend really good. Even the lipsticks are very, at least the one I'm wearing right now, it's really bright, like I'm not used to this. It's like almost like a neon pink pretty much, you know, it's like a red coral, but it's really crazy looking, but I love it though. They're very pigmented. They're not drying. I feel like some of the other liquid lipsticks were kind of drying, but these ones, apparently I've heard the formula's a little bit different. I'm not sure about that. I think I saw a tweet that Norvina put up. I don't know what. I really don't remember, but it actually feels really comfortable. It's not drying, doesn't feel like it's cracking or peeling or anything, so it just feels really amazing, and it looks really pretty too. I can't wait to see what else Norvina launches in the future. This palette is beautiful. I think it's really perfect, especially for like people who don't have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, because this palette has like a ton of colors. So, and it has like some neutrals in it. I mean, not really looking at it. I mean, maybe the only neutral shades are like maybe that one and then that one right here. But yeah, but honestly, like if you want a palette, or like if you're looking for something with more colors, this is definitely something that you should probably pick it up. It also has white and black. I think those are pretty basic colors and eyeshadows. You kind of need those really. I like to use whites for like setting a base, or like blending out eyeshadows, and black for like, you know, darkening stuff, or even just like a black smoky eye. And it has very beautiful shimmers in it. The mattes are really soft and pigmented. I think the possibilities of looks of this palette are pretty much endless. Like it has like a bunch of colors. There's so many like color combos you can do, different kinds of looks you can do with it. You can do like a bunch of smoky eyes, you can do cut creases, you can do very simple eyeshadow looks, you know. It doesn't have to be like too crazy or anything. But I think this is the palette is really perfect for people who don't have a lot of colors in their eyeshadow collection. If you don't own very many palettes, I think this is a palette that's perfect for you. And if you're not afraid to be playing color, this is also a This is also a palette that's perfect for you as well. I forgot to mention, I should have mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but I did do foundation, eye primer before. So yeah, of course I'm wearing the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation and their primer, and I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip primer for my face. So yeah. So far I've really been loving the foundation. I really like it. I haven't actually really been wearing makeup because I had gotten sick a while back and I was pretty much bedridden. So yeah, I was planning on wearing makeup like every day, but then that happened. So you know, but I really do love the foundation and the setting powders as well. I used it today for today's look, and I don't know, I think they're really nice. They stay on pretty. They can stay on for quite a long time, I guess. So thank you Anastasia and Norvina for sending me this awesome palette. Also for being on PR list. I'm really thankful for that. So yeah. Also, thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I always post a bunch of different stuff on there. And stuff, maybe looks that don't go up on YouTube or whatever. So make sure you follow me on there. I can also do sneak peeks of videos or like future looks I'll be posting on YouTube and stuff. Also, make sure you check out my past videos, my past tutorials. I have a bunch of other stuff, especially my Halloween stuff. Halloween's coming right up around the corner and I'm working on some pretty big stuff. Maybe 3 big videos for this October. Hopefully they'll be ready and hopefully they'll be done. I don't know. It's really stressful, but I think I could pull it off. So be looking forward to that. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel to see that in the future. It's going crazy. I'm kind of thinking of opening a Ko-fi page for like donations. I kind of been wanting to do Patreon for a very long time, but I just don't really know how to go about with that, or like how to, you know, what kind of rewards I should set up for you guys or whatever. But I don't know. But Ko-fi's kind of like, I think you like donate like the price of a coffee, I think, to the creator or whatever. So I kind of want to do that. This will be easier, so that way I can have a little bit of help. Especially these bigger Halloween videos I'm doing. So I don't know, but I'm not really too sure like how many tutorials I haven't actually filmed any Halloween videos yet, but I'm actually in the process of setting things up for the 3 big ones I have planned out. So hopefully I get to do all 3 of them. If not, then at least one is kind of almost ready. So yeah, and I kind of want to give you some hints. I might start posting hints in my Instagram stories. We'll see. I'm not too sure yet. If I kind of want to be surprised. Also, I'm too excited, so I kind of want to start hinting at things a little bit. So I don't know, maybe keep an eye on my stories for hints. We'll see. I don't know if I will be posting hints or not, but I kind of want to. Alrighty, so that is it for today's makeup tutorials. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!